And welcome back. Dr. Farshid Guilak, the research director at Shriners Children's St. Louis, recently received one of the highest honors in the field of health and medicine. Not only was he named to both the newest classes of the National Academy of Medicine, the National Academy of Engineering, but just this month, he was named to be the National Academy of Inventors. We stopped by Shriners Children's Hospital to find out more about his work. Take a look.
Dr. Farshid Guilak is changing the course of pediatric orthopedic medicine right here in St. Louis. For years, Guilak has led innovation in the area of regenerative medicine, also known as cell engineering.
Our goal here in the St. Louis Hospital has been to really develop new treatments, new cures for pediatric musculoskeletal conditions. Most of our focus has been on arthritis and childhood arthritis, which really gets neglected.
Dr. Guilak moved to St. Louis a little over 6 years ago to build a cutting-edge research laboratory at Shriners Children's Hospital.
It is a gorgeous facility with 6,000 square feet of lab space with all of the state-of-the-art equipment that was really brought to us by the generosity of the Shriners.
Housed in this state-of-the-art lab is a research project that includes creating cartilage from a pediatric patient's own stem cells for use in patients who suffer from juvenile idiopathic arthritis.
We take stem cells from the patients themselves, and these are stem cells mostly from fat tissue, and we can use those cells to grow a hip replacement in the lab. What we're hoping to do is replace the worn out cartilage in the joint and not have to completely cut off the bone and the rest of the joint, but then keep the joint going for another 10 or 15 years when the patient's old enough to actually get a joint replacement.
The results of this level of innovation could change the trajectory of a child's life.
One of our surgeons showed me x-rays of a patient who had a hip replacement and needed a second hip replacement. And the first hip replacement occurred when this patient was 15, and now at 18, she needs a second one. We can't imagine what it would be like to be a child and have 2 hip replacements. So we really want to prevent that. And having our surgeons who see this on a daily basis then help us develop the surgical techniques and how we're going to put artificial cartilage back in the joint it's been invaluable.
But his work does not stop there. This is just one of the 25 research projects Guilak's team is heading right now. This innovative team is made possible by Shriners Children's strong partnership with Washington University Orthopedics.
So we have a group of about 30 scientists, which are students and trainees and research staff who work here full-time. Nothing here can happen in a vacuum or from one person alone. It's all really team-oriented. The things that we work on are so complicated, the diseases such as arthritis, that no one person can even come close to solving them. So everyone is interconnected, and we have constant group meetings and lots of collaboration, which is just essential for making this type of science work.
2022 has shined a much-deserved light on Dr. Guilak and his team's work and passion. For further information, you can visit the website shrinerschildrens.org. We'll be right back.